Right, the US Supreme Court is standing at historic crossroads today as it prepares to rule on the future of American trade policy. At the heart of the battle is the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or the IEEPA. While this 1977 law was designed to help presidents manage national emergencies, the Trump administration has used it as a primary tool to bypass Congress and unilaterally levy massive tariffs on global imports. Now, the central question before the justices is simple. Does the president have the authority to impose taxes, traditionally a power reserved for Congress, under the guise of a regulatory emergency? Lower federal courts have already said no, ruling that these duties exceed the presidential authority. Even the court's 6-3 conservative majority expressed deep concerns during oral arguments on November 5th before the Supreme Court, questioning whether the word regulate in the law actually gives president the power to tax. Now, this ruling will have a massive impact on India. Right now, India is already dealing with high tariffs, but a new law, the Russia Sanctioning Act, could make things much worse. It threatens a staggering 500% tariff on any country that continues to import Russian oil. India is one of them. If the Supreme Court rules against the government, these tariffs could become invalid overnight. That would mean billions of dollars in refunds for businesses. However, there is also a chance that the court will issue a partial ruling. This would keep some trade barriers in place and lead to continued friction between the two countries. President Trump has called this case life or death for the nation's economic leverage. Now, whether the court agrees or hands that power back to the Congress, the decision will reshape global trade as it stands today and for decades to come.